Hey everyone, and welcome to Crack the Cyber Code. I'm Katie Linendahl, and I'm so excited you're here to dive into the world of cybersecurity with me today. Get ready, because we're about to unlock some serious knowledge about setting up a powerful security information and event management system. That's SIEM, your new favorite acronym. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your cybersecurity journey, having a solid SIEM setup is absolutely essential in today's threat landscape. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is a business imperative. Cyber attacks are increasingly common and sophisticated. From data breaches to ransomware, the stakes are high. That's where SIEM comes in as your secret weapon. It empowers proactive security, detecting threats in real time, like a 24/7 security guard for your digital assets. Now you might be wondering, why Elk Stack? Great question. Elk stands out for several reasons. It's open source and free to use. No hefty licensing fees. Accessible for smaller organizations. Customizable to your specific needs. Elk is incredibly powerful. Built on Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana for storing, processing, and visualizing data. Stunning visualizations and dashboards. Real-time data analysis for a comprehensive security view. So, are you ready to become an Elk Stack Pro and build your very own SIEM solution? We'll guide you through preparing your environment and setting up Elk. Then, we'll configure Elasticsearch, the heart of our SIEM system. Next, we'll move on to Kibana for stunning visualizations and dashboards. Finally, we'll bring in Logstash to process and enrich data. By the end, you'll have a fully functional SIEM solution with Elk. All right, cybersecurity enthusiasts. Before we dive into LK Stack, we need a solid foundation. Our first task is choosing the right operating system. For optimal performance, I recommend using Ubuntu Linux. It's reliable, powerful, and widely supported by the ELK community. Ubuntu is user-friendly, even for beginners. Now that we've chosen our operating system, let's make sure our system has the horsepower to handle the mighty Elk Stack. Elk needs adequate system resources to function at its best. First and foremost, let's talk RAM. I recommend having at least 4 GB of RAM available, but 8 GB or more is ideal. Next up, we have the CPU, the brain of our system. A multi-core processor will give it an extra edge. Lastly, let's not forget about storage space. Consider using a solid-state drive for better performance. Hold on tight, cybersecurity champions, because we're about to install a critical piece of software that will power our Elk Stack Java. Think of Java as the fuel that ignites Elk's engine, enabling it to run smoothly. Elk is built on Java, which means it needs Java to function correctly. Installing Java is a breeze, and I'll guide you through each step. Open your terminal and run the following commands. Sudo apt-get install default gra sudo apt-get install default jdk. Once the installation is complete, you're one step closer to unleashing the power of LK Stack. Section 4. Assembling the powerhouse. Downloading the Elk Stack components. Get ready to unleash your inner tech wizard, because we're about to download the core components of the Elk Stack: Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. First up, we have Elasticsearch, the heart and soul of our SIEM system. Next, we have Logstash, the data pipeline extraordinaire. Finally, we have Kibana, the control center of our SIEM. Open your terminal and run the following commands to download and install Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Logstash. Once the installation is complete, you'll have all the essential ingredients to start building your very own SIEM solution. Section 5. Quiz time. All right, cybersecurity superstars. It's time to put your newfound knowledge to the test with a quick quiz. Get ready to answer some brain-teasing questions about what we've covered so far. Remember, no cheating. Which operating system is recommended for optimal LK Stack performance? A. Windows. B. Mac OS X, Linux. What is the minimum recommended RAM for running Elk Stack smoothly? A. 2 GB. B. 4 GB. C. 8 GB. Which programming language is Elk Stack built on? A. Python. B. Java. C. C++. What is the role of Logstash in the Elk Stack? A. Data storage and indexing. B. Data visualization and exploration. C. Data ingestion and processing. You have 15 seconds to answer each question. Good luck, and let's see how well you've been paying attention. Configuring Elasticsearch. All right, cybersecurity detectives, it's time to fire up Elasticsearch. Think of Elasticsearch as the brain of our operation, storing and retrieving valuable security logs. Configuring Elasticsearch is crucial, but not daunting. We'll use its configuration file, a simple text file. Open your terminal and run sudo nano etc elasticsearch elasticsearch.ml. Get ready to fine-tune Elasticsearch for optimal performance. Section 2. Fine-tuning Elasticsearch network settings and beyond. With Elasticsearch's configuration file open, we can now fine-tune its settings to ensure it integrates seamlessly with our system and the rest of our LK stack. Think of this as optimizing the communication channels between Elasticsearch and the outside world, allowing it to send and receive data efficiently. One of the first things we'll configure is Elasticsearch's network settings. By default, Elasticsearch is configured to listen for connections only from the local machine. While this is great for security, we need to tell it to accept connections from other machines in our network, especially from Kibana and Logstash, which will be sending data its way. Within the file, look for the following lines: network, host 127.0.0.1 HTTP port 9200. The setting determines which IP address Elasticsearch will listen on. By default, it's set to, which represents the local machine. To allow connections from other machines, change this setting to network.host 0.0.0.0. The setting specifies the port number Elasticsearch will use for communication. The default port, 9200, is commonly used for Elasticsearch and doesn't need to be changed unless there's a conflict with another application using the same port. Once you've made these changes, save and close the file. Congratulations! You've just configured Elasticsearch's network settings like a pro. Section 3. Bringing your data to life. Configuring Kibana. Now that our Elasticsearch engine is humming along, it's time to bring in Kibana, the visualization virtuoso of our ELK stack. If Elasticsearch is the brain of our SIEM, then Kibana is the eyes, allowing us to see, explore, and understand the vast sea of security data flowing through our system. Configuring Kibana is all about establishing a smooth connection with Elasticsearch and tailoring its settings to our liking. Just like with Elasticsearch, we'll be working with Kibana's configuration file to tweak its behavior and unleash its full potential. To access Kibana's configuration file, we'll once again use our trusty command line editor. Open your terminal and run the following command: sudo nano etc kibana yml. This will open the file within the editor, ready for our configuration magic. Get ready to transform raw data into actionable insights as we dive into the world of Kibana configuration. Section 4. Connecting the dots. Linking Kibana with Elasticsearch. Open the file and locate. Update this line if Elasticsearch runs on a different IP or port. Save and close the file. You've successfully connected Kibana with Elasticsearch. Section 5. Quiz time. Let's test your knowledge on configuring Elasticsearch and Kibana. Which file do we modify to configure Elasticsearch's network settings? A, B, C. What's the default port number used by Elasticsearch? A, 8080B, 9200C, 5601. Section 6. Tapping into the data stream. Understanding Logstash's role. Logstash ingests, processes, and ships data to Elasticsearch. It acts as a data pipeline, ensuring a constant flow of valuable information for analysis and threat detection. Section 7. Crafting the pipeline. Configuring Logstash for data ingestion. Logstash's configuration revolves around pipelines, input, filter, and output. Create a configuration file. Define a simple pipeline to read from, parse it, and send it to Elasticsearch. Save and close the file. You've crafted your first Logstash pipeline. Start Logstash using. Run Logstash will begin processing data as defined in your configuration file. Verify Logstash's operation by checking its logs. Look for entries indicating successful data processing and connection to Elasticsearch. Troubleshoot common Logstash issues by examining error messages in the logs. Resolve configuration errors, missing dependencies, or port conflicts. Ensure correct input settings and network connectivity for data ingestion. Section 4. Demystifying Logstash configuration. A closer look. Understand the file's structure, input, filter, and output. Experiment with different options to tailor your data pipeline. Section 5. Quiz time. Test your Logstash knowledge. What command starts Logstash on Ubuntu? A, B, C. Which command displays Logstash's logs? A, B, C. Section 6. Beyond the basics. Exploring advanced Logstash features. Discover Logstash's plugin ecosystem for extended functionality. Use plugins for data ingestion, transformation, and output to various destinations. Meet Filebeat, our agile log courier. Filebeat is lightweight and efficient, designed for log forwarding. It ensures reliable log delivery to Logstash, even during network issues. Install Filebeat using. Run, configure Filebeat in to connect to your ELK stack. Filebeat supports modules for easy log collection. Enable a module with Filebeat will start collecting logs from specified sources automatically. Section 4. Setting Filebeat in motion. Starting and verifying data flow. With Filebeat installed, configured, and our desired modules enabled, it's time to set our log forwarding engine in motion. Just like starting a car, we'll use to start the Filebeat service and initiate the flow of log data. Open your terminal and run the following command. This command will instruct to start Filebeat, which will load our configuration, connect to the specified log sources, and begin forwarding events to Logstash. To verify that Filebeat is running smoothly, we can check its logs using, just like we did with Logstash. Open another terminal window and run the following command. If everything is working correctly, you should see log entries indicating that Filebeat has successfully started, connected to your log sources, and is forwarding events to Logstash. You should also see Logstash processing and indexing these events, confirming that our entire log management pipeline is functioning as expected. Section 5. Quiz time. Time to put your Filebeat knowledge to the test. Cybersecurity aces. Get ready to answer these thought-provoking questions and see if you've mastered the art of lightweight log forwarding. Remember, no outside help. What is the main advantage of using Filebeat over Logstash for log file input? A. Filebeat offers more advanced filtering options. B. Filebeat is significantly more lightweight and resource efficient. C. Filebeat can ingest data from a wider range of sources. What is the purpose of Filebeat modules? A. To encrypt log data in transit for enhanced security. B. To simplify the collection and parsing of logs from common services. C. To provide real-time alerts and notifications for critical log events. Which command is used to start the Filebeat service on Ubuntu? A, B, C. You have 15 seconds for each question. TikTok, make your choices. Section 6. Filebeat in action. Monitoring system logs with ELK. ELK stack is humming along with Filebeat forwarding logs to Logstash. ELK provides insights into the health, performance, and security of your servers. Real-time view of system logs helps identify and diagnose issues quickly. With ELK and Filebeat, this is a reality within reach. Filebeat collects logs from common system services. Use Kibana to create interactive dashboards and visualizations. Visualize login attempts, CPU usage, and more. ELK correlates data from different sources for a holistic view. detect and respond to threats more effectively. Unlocking visual insights, introducing Kibana visualizations. Hold on to your hats, data explorers, because we're about to enter the realm of Kibana visualizations, where raw data transforms into insightful and actionable intelligence. If Elasticsearch is the brain of our ELK stack and Logstash is the central nervous system, then Kibana is our eyes, allowing us to see, understand, and interact with the vast sea of security information flowing through our system. Gone are the days of sifting through endless lines of log files trying to decipher cryptic messages and connect the dots. Kibana empowers us to transform those raw logs into stunning charts, graphs, maps, and timelines, revealing hidden patterns, trends, and anomalies that would otherwise remain buried in the data deluge. From data to charts, building your first Kibana visualization. Ready to unleash your inner data artist? Let's dive right in and create our first Kibana visualization. Don't worry, it's as easy as choosing your favorite colors and watching your data come to life. First things first, navigate to the Visualize tab in Kibana's main menu. This is our playground for creating and managing visualizations. You'll be greeted with a variety of visualization types to choose from, each suited for different data exploration tasks. Want to compare the frequency of different events? A bar chart is your go-to tool. Need to see the distribution of data points across categories? A pie chart will do the trick. Want to track trends over time? A line graph is your best bet. And if you want to visualize geographical data, a map is the way to go. Once you've selected your visualization type, it's time to choose your data source. This is where the magic of Elasticsearch comes in. Kibana seamlessly connects to your Elasticsearch indices, allowing you to select the specific data you want to visualize. Creating actionable dashboards. Assembling your security command center. Congratulations on creating your first Kibana visualizations. You've transformed raw data into insightful charts and graphs. But the journey doesn't end there. Now it's time to assemble those individual visualizations into a powerful security command center, a Kibana dashboard. Think of a Kibana dashboard as your personalized security control panel, providing a centralized view of your IT environment's health, performance, and security posture. No more switching between multiple windows or applications. Your key security metrics and insights are right at your fingertips. Creating a dashboard is as simple as dragging and dropping your saved visualizations onto a canvas. You can arrange and resize them to your liking, creating a layout that makes sense for your specific monitoring needs. But Kibana dashboards are more than just static displays of information. You can add interactive elements like filters, time ranges, and drill downs, allowing you to explore your data in real time and uncover deeper insights. Section 4. Quiz time. Time to put those Kibana visualization skills to the test, data ninjas. Get ready to answer these brain-tickling questions and see if you've mastered the art of turning data into actionable insights. Remember, no peeking at your cheat sheets. Which Kibana visualization type is best suited for comparing the frequency of different events? Is it A, pie chart, B, line graph, or C, bar chart? What is the purpose of a Kibana dashboard? Is it A, to store and index raw log data for searching and analysis, B, to create alerts and notifications based on specific events, or C, to provide a centralized view of multiple visualizations and metrics? What interactive element can you add to a Kibana dashboard to filter data based on specific criteria? Is it A, time range selector, B, drill down link, or C, filter control? You have 15 seconds for each question. Choose wisely, and may the data be with you. Congratulations, SIEM setup champions! Give yourselves a round of applause, cybersecurity trailblazers, because you've just accomplished something truly incredible. You've successfully navigated the intricate world of SIEM setup, transforming your system into a powerful security monitoring and analysis powerhouse using the incredible capabilities of the LK stack. From installing and configuring Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, to harnessing the lightweight efficiency of Filebeat, you've built a robust data pipeline that can ingest, process, and visualize massive amounts of security information. Remember that feeling of accomplishment when you first saw data flowing seamlessly through your pipeline, from log files to insightful Kibana dashboards. That's the power of hands-on learning, and you should be incredibly proud of yourselves for taking this journey. You've not only gained valuable technical skills, but also developed a deeper understanding of cybersecurity principles and best practices that will serve you well throughout your career. Setting up a SIEM is a significant milestone, but it's essential to remember that cybersecurity is not a destination. It's an ongoing journey of continuous learning, adaptation, and improvement. As cyber threats evolve at an alarming pace, so too must our defenses. Your newly acquired SIEM skills are not static assets, they're living, breathing tools that require constant nurturing, refinement, and expansion to remain effective against emerging threats. Think of your SIEM like a garden. You've planted the seeds, nurtured the seedlings, and now you're starting to see the fruits of your labor. But the work doesn't stop there. You need to water the plants, fertilize the soil, and prune the branches to ensure they continue to thrive and bear fruit. Similarly, your SIEM requires ongoing care and attention. Regularly review and update your configurations, explore new plugins and modules to enhance functionality, and stay informed about the latest security threats and vulnerabilities. The more you learn and adapt, the more resilient and effective your SIEM will become in safeguarding your digital assets. The good news is, you don't have to embark on this continuous learning journey alone. The cybersecurity community is vast, vibrant, and incredibly supportive, with a plethora of resources available to help you deepen your knowledge, sharpen your skills, and stay ahead of the curve. First and foremost, take advantage of the wealth of online resources at your fingertips. Websites like SANS Institute, NIST, and OASP offer a treasure trove of free information, including white papers, guides, and best practices for securing your systems and data. Online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Cybrary offer a wide range of cybersecurity courses, from beginner-friendly introductions to advanced penetration testing techniques. Don't underestimate the power of hands-on practice. Set up a virtual lab environment using tools like VirtualBox or VMware and experiment with different LK stack configurations, plugins, and data sources. The more you tinker, test, and break things in a controlled environment, of course, the more confident and proficient you'll become in your SIEM skills. Cybersecurity is a team sport, and you don't have to go it alone. Connecting with other cybersecurity professionals is invaluable for staying informed about emerging threats, sharing best practices, and getting support when you need it most. Attend industry events like DEF CON, Black Hat, and RSA Conference to hear from leading experts, discover cutting-edge technologies, and network with peers from around the world. Join online forums and communities like Reddit's r/Cybersecurity, Slack channels dedicated to SIEM and Logstash, and LinkedIn groups focused on cybersecurity to engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your knowledge with others. By actively participating in the cybersecurity community, you'll not only expand your professional network, but also gain valuable insights and perspectives that will help you grow as a cybersecurity professional. Remember, the fight against cyber threats is a marathon, not a sprint. By continuously learning, adapting, and connecting with others, you'll be well equipped to navigate the ever-evolving cybersecurity landscape and emerge victorious. Stay vigilant, stay curious, and keep cracking the cyber code.